Remember guys, our business, keep this in mind, especially in information, actually in every business, pero particularly in information publishing business, we will not just create a product that we want to teach the world or we want to share the world. All right, it has to be clear. We are here to find a problem of a certain market and then create a product that solves it. All right. So ulitin ko po, we are not someone that will create a product and will try to find a customer. But first, we will find a customer and then we will create a product to sell to them. That's big, big difference. So if you're going to ask me, Sir John, what is probably the one, if not the biggest, reason why some products don't sell? Because of that. Because sometimes may mga thoughts and ideas tayo, we're not really confirming if this even exists, if this is something that is sellable, right? So because for anyone who are new in the business, there's always your question is, Sir John, will this topic sell, right? So how would you know? And dun sa module 1, meron po tayong dong step-by-step instructions. I even have a demonstration on how to go to Facebook group. We even have exact words to use. Let's say you join a Facebook group, right? So you use exact words. So again, what is the purpose of that? Because we don't want to create a product that we are guessing if it will sell or not. That's the thing. Okay? That is the thing. Right? Again, ayaw natin, dahil ako rin po, ayaw gumawa ng product, kahit pa sabihin mo nang ikaw ang gumawa. So you didn't pay a freelancer. So, but still, you invest your time creating an ebook, a product, right? And then, pagbentahan na, nagtataka ka, bakit hindi ka makabenta? Well, did you research the market? Do they even have problem on this thing? All right? So that's the first step. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.